Hello everyone, here's another City of Bainbridge Island IT video for you. A question I receive quite often is, how do I use my signature image in PDFXchange? So we'll go through that. Here's a PDF that I need to sign. I'm on the Home tab in the ribbon. Click the drop down underneath the stamp icon. Now there are a bunch of default stamps in here. If you don't see anything underneath the custom section, just put in a help desk ticket and we'll get your signature image set up for you. But you should see something already. Click on it. It might come in huge like mine does here. Click to just place it somewhere. And then go to the corners of the image. Hover until you see the diagonal arrows, and then you can resize it to your desired size. And then it's a little bit difficult to see in my signature, but there's a sort of a little circle in the middle of the image. If you hover over it, you get the crosshairs. Click and hold and drag the signature to where you want to place it. I'm going to resize it a little bit again. And then when you're finished, you'll notice that the image kind of stays selected. If you click, it'll just place it again and again. So what you need to do now is hit Escape 2 times on the keyboard to get out of it. And that's all you do, and your signature is placed. I'll show you another thing. Go back to the Home tab, click the Stamp drop down. There are also 2 date stamp options that default to the current day's date, which is kind of nice. So if you click one of those, you can place it as well. Same thing, you can resize, you can move it around, and then when you're finished, don't just click out of it because you'll place another stamp. Hit Escape 2 times on the keyboard. And that's it.